Today, we're excited to have a special guest, immigration attorney Elizabeth Luevano, who is a valued member of the law offices of Sabrina Lee. She'll be providing valuable insights into the complex field of immigration law and exploring the deep significance of Hispanic Heritage Month in this context. To get us started, Elizabeth, could you please share your background and experience as an immigration attorney?
Certainly. I began my journey in the immigration field back in 2014 as a receptionist. Over time, I worked my way up to a paralegal position while simultaneously attending law school. After becoming a licensed attorney, I dedicated myself to helping immigrants navigate various legal processes. Through my passion, I also became licensed in federal court to assist those clients who needed help receiving timely decisions or appealing unfavorable decisions.
That's an impressive journey. What sparked your interest in immigration law?
Well, I come from an immigrant family myself. I'm a first-generation American citizen, so immigration has always been a deeply personal and significant aspect of my life. When I first started working in the immigration field, I fell in love with the area and its nuances, so I decided to dedicate myself to helping those immigrants who, like my family, came to this country for a better life.
Hispanic Heritage Month is upon us. Could you explain its significance in the context of immigration?
Absolutely. For me, Hispanic Heritage Month provides a platform to celebrate our culture, our ancestors, our heritage, and the things that make Hispanics both similar and different. I believe Hispanic Heritage Month is important as it can be used to raise awareness about immigration issues, empower the immigrant community, and allow those in positions of power to advocate for positive changes within the immigration system.
What are some common immigration issues faced by the Hispanic community?
I also find that Hispanic Heritage Month is spiritually significant as it provides us a time to reflect on our own immigration journeys. These issues are multifaceted and often interconnected, creating complex challenges for individuals and families. This is why access to competent legal representation to navigate the complicated immigration sphere is so important.
Can you share any success stories of Hispanic immigrants you've represented?
Of course, one of my favorite client success stories is of a Hispanic immigrant who, despite having an approved family-based petition and a provisional unlawful presence waiver, was placed in removal proceedings. I worked diligently to ensure he was not given a removal order, but was rather allowed to return to his home country of his own accord. We were then able to schedule him for his immigrant visa interview and have him return lawfully to the United States to reunite with his wife and young daughter. He now lives happily in the United States as a lawful permanent resident and will soon be eligible to apply for naturalization.
Lastly, what legal options are available for undocumented Hispanic immigrants seeking a path to legalization?
There are actually several different paths to obtain legal status, including family-based petitions, employer-sponsored petitions, seeking asylum, applying for victim-based visas, or obtaining temporary relief such as DACA, also known as Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, or TPS, also known as Temporary Protected Status. Each path is specific to individual circumstances and may have time-sensitive requirements, so it's always vital for undocumented immigrants to reach out to competent attorneys as soon as possible to explore their options.
Learn about immigration law from our expert, Elizabeth Luevano, a valued member of the law offices of Sabrina Lee, as she delves into its significance during Hispanic Heritage Month.